In this few minute tutorial, I will show you how to dynamically connect Illustrator, Photoshop, and Blender to speed up your workflow, especially if you are a product designer like me. Here is the process. 1. Start by creating your text designs in Illustrator. After making all necessary adjustments, highlight, then copy them. 2. Paste them into Photoshop. When the dialog box pops up, choose Paste as Smart Objects. This allows for a seamless connection between the two apps, meaning if you need to make changes, it opens in Illustrator, lets you edit, and automatically updates in Photoshop when you save. Now the fun part. 3. In Blender, when designing a 3D model like this product can, you will need to apply the label design in Photoshop. Go to the shading panel, select the principal PSD of shader, and press Ctrl T with Node Wrangler enabled in Preferences. 4. Open your Photoshop file .psd, and if the texture doesn't fit, simply go to the UV Editing tab to make adjustments until everything aligns perfectly. Now, every time you update the design to Illustrator, it automatically syncs to Photoshop and Blender, making this an efficient, seamless workflow. Subscribe for more tips like this.